Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a living room and kitchen clean with me. I'm going to be wiping surfaces, doing laundry, dishes, vacuuming. I was planning on putting my Christmas decorations away in this video, but because I had such a late start on it this year, I just went ahead and put them away because they had been sitting around for way too long and I just wanted to get it done and over with. First thing I wanted to do was get some laundry going, so I am removing these pillow covers, and then once I get them in the wash, I'm going to move on to dusting and cleaning the bookshelf and a few tables in the living room.
Nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, that I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on the dizzying heights.
We've been waiting around for too long for something to show. Same old places and faces of people with nowhere to go. But we're not like them, we are better, both you and I know. Grab your car keys and jacket, 'cause honey, we're ready to go. Let's get in the car and you'll drive, we're leaving tonight. Away from these streets and the cold buzzing neon lights. Been keeping our heads above water, struggling and striving. We ain't gonna turn back this time, we'll just keep driving. You've got one hand on money, one hand on the steering wheel, worlds passing by outside. The flickering light of the white lines in the corner of my eye. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. The windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes.
So the next thing I'm doing is moving on to cleaning this rug. I'm going to start by vacuuming it really well, and then I'll be using the rug scrubber on it. The stain in the left corner is from my dog. He unfortunately got sick this morning, and so The first thing I like to do is use baking soda because it will absorb any moisture and it helps sanitize it. So I let that sit for a while, and then I sprayed a pet stain remover / pre-treatment and let that soak for a while. And so now it is ready to be cleaned with the rug scrubber. Before I clean the rug, I would like to switch the laundry over, so I am going to wash this couch cover. The other couch cover and the cover for the chair and the ottoman I already cleaned yesterday, so they are clean. This is the only one left, so I'm going to get that in the wash, and then I will get going on this rug.
The flickering light of the white lines in the corner of my eye. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. The windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes are open wide. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. The windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes are open wide. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. Oh, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever.
It always takes me a while to get the rug scrub because I like to go over the same areas multiple times just to make sure I'm getting it as clean as I can, because some spots are dirtier than others and it just doesn't seem like it comes as clean if I only go over it once. So after I get this rug cleaned, the laundry should be done. So I'm going to get the pillowcases back on, get the couch cover back on, and then I'll be moving on to the kitchen.
Promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah.
let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon, beyond the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon, beyond the horizon. And let me tell you what I found, leaving everything behind.
So moving on into the kitchen, the first thing I want to do is clean off this hutch. I'm going to clean the top, and then I noticed that there was quite a bit of dog hair that had collected around the bottom of the hutch as well as around the drawers, so I also need to wipe down the sides.
You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon, beyond the horizon.
At first I didn't think about it. At first I thought whatever, yeah. At first I thought I'd work around it. I'd work around it. But you turned out to be so different.
So now I'm moving on to the dishes. I wanted to unload and reload the dishwasher and then do a few dishes by hand, and then I will be moving on to wiping down the appliances.
I got behind it. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know, will never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break. Keep cruising till we hit the morning, and then we do it all over again. We past the reds, ignore the warnings. Ignore the warnings. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know, will never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break. You got what I need effortlessly. Let me know you want it. With you I can breathe, air goes so deep. Let me know, cause I can't lie. Let me know, cause I need you. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know, will never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know, will never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break.
Captured in a photograph. Remember how we used to sit in the vines? Yeah, oh. And I can hear you laugh it off. You always said mistakes I left in the past. But no, I know enough to see the glow on us we're over sooner than we're gone. And sometimes I think about it all night, staring to the streetlights, wonder where we'd be if nothing would have changed, if we'd have stayed the same, never killed the flame. Would we hold our ground if nothing would have changed? Would you take my name, stay here through the rain? Would we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Drawing from another time, walls of paint that spells out your name. Yeah. You said you had to change your heart, that Albany just left you all the same. I could see enough to know you're better off, but sometimes it hits you when it's gone. And all night I stare into that same light, reinventing our life. I wonder where we'd be if nothing would have changed, if we'd have stayed the same, never killed the flame. Would we hold our ground if nothing would have changed? Would you take my name, stay here through the rain? Would we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground?
Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!
And find you in another time. Up it comes and down it goes. Seeds will die before the